How to change Instagram map GPS location. First, Instagram recently rolled out a live map feature right inside your Messages tab that updates your location every time you open the app. To control who sees you there, just open your direct messages and tap the map icon at the top of your inbox. From there, hit the cog icon in the corner and choose your audience. You can share with friends you follow back, close friends only, a custom list, or go completely invisible by selecting No One for ghost mode. Once you've made your choice, tap Done, and your preferences are saved. But here's the thing, that method only hides you or shows you to specific people. It doesn't actually put you in a different city. If you want to appear in Paris while sitting in Ohio, you'll need to change your device's actual GPS data. This is where MagFone Location Changer comes in. Start by opening MagFone on your computer and clicking Start, then connect your phone via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable developer mode for your Android model. You'll need to set MagFone as your mock location app in your phone's developer settings. Once that's done, switch to general mode, and you can spoof your location anywhere on the map. For iPhone users, the process is slightly different since iOS doesn't support mock locations directly. You'll still connect to MagFone via computer, but the tool handles the virtual location modification for you without needing developer settings. Just remember, a standard VPN won't cut it here. While VPNs change your IP address and might affect regional content, they don't touch your precise GPS coordinates, so the Instagram map will still see your real location. For accurate map spoofing, you need a dedicated GPS changer like MagFone.